Every school has an identity. Now, its career readiness platform can reflect it. Introducing the all-new SchooLinks K-5, a fully rebuilt elementary experience where your colors, your mascot, and your story are woven into every lesson, goal, and activity. Choose from immersive story worlds or create one entirely your own. Because when students see their school reflected in the experience, career readiness becomes more than a program. It becomes part of the culture. Students explore careers, uncover their strengths, set meaningful goals, and begin imagining what's possible. And for the counselors, educators, and administrators who support them, everything lives in one unified K-12 platform. Identify students who need support, deliver structured lessons, engage families, and measure program impact. Designed specifically for young learners, SchooLinks K-5 meets students where they are. In grades K-2, students explore through a simple guided experience with read aloud support, large touch targets, and a character that leads every step. Then, something changes. At grade 3, students earn a bigger role. The platform grows with them, introducing more independence, deeper exploration, and the habits they'll carry into middle school and beyond. And because SchooLinks is one continuous K-12 platform, every goal, interest, reflection, and achievement follows students throughout their journey. One platform, one story, from kindergarten to graduation. See how SchooLinks K-5 brings your district's story to life.